So I'll be showing you how to connect your JBL Flip 7 to a Mac or a MacBook wired. So you can actually connect these new JBL Flip 7s to any device wired to get that lossless audio from any compatible device. So to do that, what you want to do is get yourself a data cable. A Type-C to Type-C cable works best because there's a Type-C port on your Mac. So connect one end of the cable to a Type-C port on your Mac like that. And then we're going to connect this other end of this cable to the Type-C port on the speaker. Okay, so before you do that, you want to make sure you locate the play button, the play pause button on the speaker. You want to press and hold that button before you put in this other end of the cable into the speaker. So press and hold this button like that. And as you're holding it, go ahead and connect this other end into the speaker. And it's going to make that sound. That sound is extremely important because it tells you that you've connected via cable successfully. Now, you can currently see the Bluetooth button is off. That means we are not using Bluetooth because we are connected to the computer via this Type-C cable. So now, even if you check on the sound settings of, or rather in the sound settings of your Mac, let's go to sound and check with this arrow. You can see JBL Flip 7 is here and I can click on it and it's actually the current output device. So that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.